Welcome to another episode of Counting Your Days with Glory. I'm so massively blessed. I mean, whenever I bring the word to you guys like this, it blesses my heart, blesses my heart as much as I know that it blesses you. Still on the topic of purpose. Like I said in the first episode of this, purpose is life itself. God is a giver of purpose. So it's like you receive life beyond you. It causes a shaking because the weight outweighs you. In fact, it takes the grace of God to keep you steady, and to give you the strength to go. And of course, it comes with a lot of resistance. Yes. If it doesn't come with resistance, then it might not be from God. It comes with resistance because the kingdom of hell doesn't want you to vet your purpose. It doesn't want that liberty or freedom is going to bring to many generations. And one who carries a vision must stay with God. You have a purpose. God has given you something that He wants you to do. He has given you a hint about a life that is beyond you. Then you need to stay with God because Bible says not by power nor by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord of hosts.